Okay, this is how I balance my gimbal with the R8, and I always keep a 24 to 70 on it. So I am going to start with the tilt axis, right? This one. And not gonna lie, I might have broken my swivel axis, which is okay. It's all right. I'm just gonna have to eyeball it a little. But, okay. Holding the swivel, it looks like I'm a little front heavy. So I'm gonna unlock that and push it back a little until it doesn't fall forward. Okay, there it is. While we're on the topic, what do you guys think of Secret Lives of Mormon Wives? Anyways, for my swivel, it looks like I'm tilting off to the right. The goal is to have it just like sit pretty. So here we go. Might need to lube this thing up at some point. Oh boy. Oh, oh, okay. There we go. That's the sweet spot with that. Something that might be crucial is obviously this is a RF lens with a mirrorless, so I have like the adapter, and if this thing isn't fully tightened, the gimbal plate, it starts rolling, which moves the weight around, and that's not healthy, as you know. If it falls one way, move it towards the other way. There we go. Okay. That is good. Now for the roll. Now I actually don't know what the rule is on the roll. I just kind of let things work out as they do. Okay. That seems like a healthy drop, I think. Would not hurt to say that I learned how to balance a gimbal from a YouTube tutorial. Okay. There we go. And just to make sure, calibrating, right? Okay, fully calibrated. Tilt looks healthy, roll looks healthy, pan looks healthy. It's not shaking, so that's a good sign, usually, for me. It looks like roll is a little bit to the left. That's healthy, right? There's just like a slight little coloring towards the left, but I think that seems to be good. And I balance it on 70. It stays on 70 most of the day. I have heard that you should balance it at like 50 or 35. When I change it to 35 or even down to 24, the tilt slightly moves towards forward instead of backward, but it's like a millimeter. So I think that's how I do it. Your turn.